So now, let's talk about the sources of e-waste. The increase in e-waste generally consists of multiple interconnected factors, but the primary cause of e-waste pollution is rapid innovation in technology, which creates e-waste by having the latest technology in the forefront while leaving unwanted and unused old devices behind. Next is demand increase for electronic products indirectly influences the amount of old or unused devices which later on goes to our landfills. Furthermore, short lifespan of devices and their lack of repairability creates a need for devices that are not repairable to be replaced with new ones. Additionally, lack of awareness as the uneducated or unaware users do not dispose of them carefully and adequately, which then leads to many environmental and health related problems. And lastly, illegal e-waste trade, where e-waste is dumped in countries that are less strict with environmental regulation.